Hello, I'm Ralph Page, Systems Architect at Samtec. I'm at OFC 2023. I'm at the booth of our partner Credo Semi, and today we're looking at a live demonstration of 112 gigabits per second PAM4 data. This is the world premiere of Credo's Dove 800 family. This is a retimer capable of retiming 8 lanes of 100G data intended for optics. Let's look at the signal path. In channel 1, a bird is generating 2 lanes of 112 gigabits per second PAM4 PRBS 31-bit data, which travels through low-loss coax cable to a Samtec Nova 8 SI evaluation kit. The evaluation kit consists of 2 boards connected by a 6-inch Samtec Nova 8 high-speed cable assembly. The signal then travels to the Dove 800 evaluation board, to Credo Semi's 800G silicon, where it is retimed and then retransmitted out of the silicon, where it loops back through 6 inches of low-loss coax, back to Credo Semi's silicon, where it's again retimed before being retransmitted back through the Nova 8 cable and back to the bird. The signal loss in the Credo board is 5.5 dBs, of which 2 dBs is through the package. The board and the coax is about another 5 dBs. This includes both RX and TX. Signal loss through the Samtec Nova 8 assembly is mostly in the board, and it's 10 dBs. With a total signal loss of 20.5 dBs, the results are impressive. 112 gigabits per second PAM4 data is running essentially error-free, better than 1 to the minus 12 pre-FEC. The signal path on channel 2 is about the same as channel 1. The bird is generating 2 lanes of 112 gigabits per second PAM4 PRBS 31 data, which travels to a Samtec BE70A, a high-speed bullseye high-performance test assembly. This particular bullseye accepts up to 8 differential pairs. The bullseye are fitted to a Samtec variable insertion loss test board known as the Samtec blockchain board. The signal travels through 10 inches of trace through another bullseye to the Dove 800 evaluation board to Credo's Semi's 800G silicon, where it is retimed, then transmitted out of the silicon, where it loops back into Credo Semi's silicon, where it is again retimed and retransmitted back through the blockchain board and back to the bird. Total signal loss is about 25.5 dBs. 15 dBs of this is in the trace on the blockchain board. The channel 2 results are strong. 112 gigabits per second PAM4 data is running fantastic, 5e to the minus 11 or better, pre-FEC. To learn more about Samtec Nova 8 products, go to samtec.com/Nova 8. If you have any questions about this demo, please contact us at sig@samtec.com. If you have questions about Credo Semi's Dove, please contact sales@credosemi.com. I'm Ralph Page, thanks for your time and thanks for watching.